Good morning, students. How are you? In the previous lecture, I asked you to read these pages thoroughly. I hope you have read. Modern forms of the money, currency we have read. Today we will read deposits with bank. Deposits. The other form in which people hold money is as deposits with bank. At a point of time, people need only some currency for their day-to-day needs, so that's why they are having the extra cash. So then they deposit it with the bank by opening a bank account in their name. Banks accept these deposits and also pay an amount as interest. Bank gives the interest who is depositing his amount. Their money is also safe, and bank also give the provision to withdraw the money as and when they require. When they are in need, bank they can withdraw their money. Since the deposits in bank accounts can be withdrawn on demand, these deposits are called demand deposit. What do you mean by demand deposits? Demand deposits means when bank account can be withdrawn on demand, these deposits are called demand deposits. Demand deposits offer another interesting facility. It is this facility which lends it the essential characteristics of money. You would have heard of payments being made by checks. Have you listened about checks? Check. See this. This is a check. Clear? This is a check. When we give the check, check means instead of cash. When we are not giving the cash, we give the check to that person for payment. Through check, the payer who has an account with the bank makes out a check for a specific amount. What do you mean by a check? A check is a paper instructing the bank to pay a specific amount from the person's account to the person in whose name the check has been issued. To that person whose name the check has been issued. Clear? See this check now. Pay Prem Kumar. To whom we are giving the payment, Prem Kumar. Rupees 57,000 only. After that, in figures 57,000. After that, account number, bank branch code. Here is it is given. After that, check number, coding used by banks, and who is giving the check. Clear? After that, thus we see that demand deposits share the essential features of money. The facility of check against demand deposits make it possible to directly settle payment without the use of cash. We give the check instead of cash when we don't want to use the cash. Demand deposits are accepted widely as a means of payment. Along with currency, they constitute money in the modern economy. You must remember the role that the banks play here. The banks play an important role here. But for the banks, there would be no demand deposits and no payments by checks against these deposits. The modern forms of the money, currency and deposits. Clear? These are two, currency and deposits, are closely linked to the working of the modern banking system. Now, loan activities of banks. I will explain in a brief way. Here are the depositors who are depositing the money. People make deposits, money in the bank, and people make withdraw and get interest. Bank give the interest to the depositors. Clear? Bank they deposit the money in the bank, and bank gives the interest to the depositors. bank which money they deposit in the bank, then bank from the bank the people borrowers can take loans from the bank that money, clear, which are depositing the depositors. Then borrowers repay loans with interest, then they repay. These people take loans, borrowers take loans from the bank and they return it with interest to the bank. Clear? This topic is clear. Tomorrow we will read two different credit situations. Thanks. Have a nice day.